Just realized that I forgot to go to the mail today, and I think I have like 3 things that were supposed to arrive today. So I'm gonna go get those really quick, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this. Oh my gosh, it's one of those chargers that like does the flippy thing, and like you can plug whatever into them. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, that's a super nice case. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, how do I get it to flip? How do I flip it? Okay, I figured it out. You pull, and then it's that. I'm gonna drop a link below for you guys. This thing is gonna be awesome.